I'm Carrington Motley, an incoming assistant professor of entrepreneurship at CMU's Tepper School of Business.
My name is Chuck Easley. I'm an associate professor and the W.M. Keck Family Faculty Scholar in the Department of Management Science and Engineering here at Stanford University. I'm also part of the Stanford Technology Ventures program, STVP.
My name is Wesley W. Koo. I am an assistant professor of strategy at INSEAD. Our study of entrepreneurial performance examines the interplay between environmental change and internal team composition. It reveals how best to benefit from the potential created by environmental change.
Prior research highlights the potential for environmental change, such as changes to a venture's industry conditions, to enable entrepreneurial performance, often focusing on the effects of the more recent environmental period. However, a second stream of research indicates that the conditions governing a venture's founding often exert a profound and lasting influence on the trajectory of the venture over time. Therefore, it's critical for our theories of environmental change to account for both the more recent and the founding period's influence. Our study addresses this need by analyzing the influence of a venture's industry conditions at founding on whether the venture can benefit from recent environmental change. We specifically unpack the influence of two key founding features: founding environmental dynamism and founding team functional diversity. We hypothesize that the interaction of these two founding features influences whether ventures can benefit from recent environmental change, and that the creation of a unique set of internal processes drives this result. We argue and find evidence that ventures founded by functionally diverse teams in dynamic founding environments that experience increases in dynamism perform better because they benefit from persistent processes formed under the influence of similar conditions at founding. However, similar ventures that experience decreases in dynamism perform worse as the persistent processes lose their fit with the more recent environment. We test these hypotheses using a dataset comprised of over 1,000 startups from a Stanford University alumni survey. Our results support the conclusion that environmental change tends to enable performance when it matches the persistent internal processes formed under the influence of the founding environment. Our theory and findings advance research by demonstrating the importance of founding conditions in determining a venture's ability to benefit from recent environmental change, and also reveals the importance of a venture's internal processes for the enabling role of environmental change. Furthermore, for practitioners, this study sheds light on how ventures navigate environmental change and contains important implications for investors seeking to evaluate venture potential.